What is going on? This is your girl Adriana coming to you from beautiful California. If you are here because you want to learn how to make money from home, how to make money with affiliate marketing in 2023, make sure you watch this video all the way towards the end. You can see just in the last 2 days, these have been some of the results that I've been creating with this affiliate marketing program, and I'm going to share with you how you can become part of it. I'm not going to explain the business right now because you can actually go click on the link below, go to infinityprocessingsystem.info. Get the full details, become part of the community, request to be added to our community group. But I'm super excited with what's happening with my entire team. You can click on the link below. Once you enter your email address, it's going to take you to a page where I explain the business, how it works. And on the third page, you're going to learn how to get started, and you're going to be able to just check out some really great team testimonials from people just like me, just like you, that learned the six-figure blueprint. They not just only learned the strategies, but they started implementing the strategies, and now they're changing their lives. With a lot of people, what they want to do is, get started with a program and start making money right away. If this is your mentality, this is not for you. It does take time and dedication, but I promise you, if you put in that effort, that time into growing an online business, there are no limits when it comes to the success that you can build. And so, a little bit about me. Who am I? I actually quit my 9-to-5 jobs about 7 years ago. Been doing affiliate marketing for the past 7 years, and it's been absolutely amazing, an amazing journey. So if you're somebody that is, tired of struggling, you're tired of not having enough, you're tired of, just not being able to go on vacation or have free time to spend with your family and friends, and you want to change your life, the course of your life this year, 2023, and you're serious, you're committed to your success for the next 60, 90 days, I want to work with you. So again, is making money online really possible? Is it real? Are really people changing their lives on a daily basis with affiliate marketing? The answer is simply yes, right? Forbes announced this year that digital marketing is going to be one of the top paying, jobs out there, this year. So digital marketing is taking the world by storm. Everybody's looking online. How can I start making extra income? And if you can position yourself starting today, you're going to have, that opportunity where, once you get access to the training, start implementing that training and start getting in front of those people that are interested in learning affiliate marketing and everything about it, and learning how to create extra income from the comfort of their own home. Again, these are just my results, some of the results that I have with affiliate marketing, and I'm just sharing this with you to inspire you. And of course, the amount of success, the amount of the sales that you generate is completely up to you. How is your work ethic? How serious are you, to committing to your success, and how much effort and dedication are you putting towards your business? At the end of the day, it comes down to you. You decide how much you're worth, how much you want to make on a consistent basis. Again, take action. Click on the link below. Go to infinityprocessingsystem.info. Get the full details. And other than that, I will see you at the top.